If you're bored of using the default macOS terminal and want something modern, clean, and aesthetic, Ghostty is the perfect upgrade for you. It is super fast, highly customizable, and honestly makes using the terminal experience more enjoyable. In today's video, I will show you my Ghostty setup and explain everything, how configuration works, so you can copy it and make your macOS terminal look stunning. Since we are using Ghostty terminal, Oh My Posh is a great tool for styling. It works perfectly on macOS and looks amazing. Now let's start by installing Homebrew. Go to this link and copy this command from here and paste it into your terminal to set up Homebrew. Once the installation is complete, run these commands to add Homebrew to your path. After that, close the terminal and open it again. Now type this command to check the Homebrew version. Once that is done, type this command to install JetBrains font. Before we customize anything, let's first install Ghostty. Now Ghostty isn't available on macOS App Store, so go ahead and open your web browser and head over to this official website. Then click on download button for macOS and open the DMG file. Now simply drag Ghostty into your applications folder just like any other macOS app. After that, open it from Launchpad or search for it using Spotlight by typing Ghostty. When you open it for the first time, it will look very simple, a plain white or black theme, standard font, and nothing fancy. And that's because Ghostty is designed to be lightweight and fast by default, and all the power comes from the customization. Ghostty doesn't use a normal settings window like most apps. Instead, it uses a configuration file which gives you a much deeper customization. To open and edit your config, just press Command plus comma. This opens the config file. Now every single statement you add or change in this file affects how Ghostty looks and behaves. The best part is that you don't need to restart Ghostty. After saving your changes, you can simply reload the configuration and everything updates instantly. So when I paste my configuration into this file, Ghostty instantly transforms into my custom setup, including fonts, themes, blur, transparency, padding, and everything. Now here's my configuration which I am currently using. Now let me quickly walk you through what each statement does. The theme is set to Horizon Bright for light mode and Broadcast for dark mode, so Ghostty automatically switches appearance depending on macOS system theme. You can see the list of themes by running this command inside Ghostty terminal. Also, I'm using JetBrains Nerd font, which is clean, sharp, and supports icons, perfect for development. The font size is set to 20, so everything is much easier to read. Next, I added 10 pixels of padding on all sides, which makes the text sit away from the edges and gives the terminal a minimal and clean look. Also, window decoration is enabled, so you still get the macOS window buttons. The cursor style is set to block, and I have increased the line height by 35%, so the text feels less cramped. The scrolling with the mouse is twice as fast, and I'm using Apple's Display P3 for more vibrant and accurate colors. Now, one of my favorite features is Copy on Select. Whenever you select text, it automatically copies to the clipboard. Also, window padding stays balanced even when resizing, and Ghostty always remembers the last window size and restores it. Also, the macOS title bar is transparent, which gives a glass-like minimal aesthetic. Now the best part is transparency and blur. Also, the background opacity is set to 0.8, so it has a slight see-through effect, and the background blur is set to 90, giving it a frosted glass macOS look. And finally, Ghostty opens maximized every time, so I don't need to resize it manually. So that's my full Ghostty setup. Simple, clean, and designed for productivity. It looks beautiful, feels modern, and honestly, it makes spending hours in the terminal surprisingly enjoyable. If you want this exact configuration, I will leave it in the video description so you can copy and paste it directly into your Ghostty configuration file. To make Ghostty better and more powerful, let's configure the default Z Shell prompt using Oh My Posh with plugins. Just go ahead and head over to this official website. Now copy the install command from there and paste it inside the Ghostty terminal. Next, create a JSON theme file by running this command. This file will be used to apply different themes to Z Shell prompt. Once it's done, open the default Z Shell config file using nano. Now go ahead and paste these lines inside the file. After that, I will edit this file and pass the configuration argument using the JSON theme file that we created earlier. Also, add this line at the bottom of the file. This line tells the terminal to use 256 colors instead of just 16. So everything looks more colorful and themes display properly. It basically unlocks the full color support in the terminal. Once everything is done, save the changes by pressing Ctrl+O and hit return, and then press Ctrl+X to exit. Now type this command to reload the Z Shell configuration. Now you may notice that the shell prompt has changed. You may also see a config theme error. This happened because the JSON file we created is still empty. Now let's go ahead and theme the shell prompt. Just go ahead and open this link. Here you will find tons of themes. Now simply choose the theme you like. Then copy the JSON configuration and paste it into the theme's JSON file. Once that is done, save the changes. Now go ahead and run this command and you will see that the shell prompt looks much better. If you want to add new theme later, first clear all lines inside the theme's JSON file using this command. Then copy the new theme's JSON configuration and paste into the file. Then execute Z Shell to apply the changes. And lastly, let's add plugins like auto suggestions. Now go ahead and paste this command to install Z Shell auto suggestions. After that, add these lines at the end of Z Shell configuration file and execute Z Shell to apply the changes. Now what this plugin does is simple. It remembers your command's history and shows suggestions for your type. This saves a lot of time and removes the need to retype commands again and again. And that's how you make your Mac terminal look beautiful using Ghostty. Let me know what you think about this video in the comment section down below. If you have any questions or queries, do post them. Thank you so much for watching. This has been KSK Royal. I will see you in the next one.